In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new title block. First thing to do is click here, new title block, browse to our BIM tutorial folder, under library, title block, open the A1 title blocks. Once you have done so, you can see the frame of the A1 title block, which is sized to A1 with certain parameters placed here and to the top right. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to import a CAD title block as the background of it. So to do that, go to Insert, Import CAD, again access the BIM tutorial folder, BIM project folder, references, XREFs, architectural, and there's a title block tender. Click on that, highlight it, make sure that this is selected as black and white, and click on open. Once the file has loaded, you can see this note, import detected no valid elements in the file's paper space. Do you want to import from the model space? Click yes, and just close this warning. And now you can see that we are not able to see the CAD title block at all in this space. So what we're going to do is that we're going to look at everything in the screen, and a shortcut for that is ZA, which is short for zoom all. And now that we see that the screen is blank, it's probably because that the A1 sized frame we had was on one corner and the CAD title block is on another far corner. So how we're going to solve this is by trial and error. So I'm going to try to pull, just select the items here, and I can see that the CAD title block is actually placed around this location while our title block frame is placed around this location. So I'm going to move this CAD title block to where our frame is. So the first thing I need to do is that I need to make sure that this CAD title block is not pinned down. So I'm going to click on this small pin here, and I'm going to start to pull it just over to the side of the screen. So just use some trial and error until both of it is in the same location. So now that I've pulled it more or less to the same location, I'm going to ZA again. So we're going to repeat the process. This is where the frame is approximately. This is where the title block is. I'm going to pull it up. ZA again. Sorry, ZA. So just repeat this process until both of it is in the same location. Okay, now I can see that there is a point there where my frame probably is at, and I'm just going to keep dragging it to its rough location. The next thing I'm going to do now is to scale this CAD title block to fit our frame. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select the CAD title block, and I'm going to move this top corner to the top corner of the frame. So after selecting the title block, press MV, select the top left corner, and now select the top left corner of the frame. Zoom out. Now we're going to scale our title blocks. So select it again and press this button to scale, and select the top left corner of the frame. You can see that the CAD and the frame title blocks do not tally. This is normal. So just select the frame's title block, zoom out, select this right corner of the CAD title block, and now I'll select the top right corner of the frame title block. So now we have the CAD title block in the right size. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to adjust the parametric data to fit our title block. So to do this, simply just click on any one of them and just drag it to the right locations. If you need to move multiple objects, just can group select them and just move it. You can use the move tool if you want. Example, select this data, MV, select the first point of reference and the final destination. So I'm just going to continue adjusting. Okay, move this revision schedule. Adjust the width. And so now all our parametric data is adjusted the way we need. If you ever need to create a new parametric data, you can simply go to create, label, just click on anywhere on the screen, scroll down to the data that you want to input. Example, if I want to put in the sheet name, just click on it and click on this arrow and it will come in here. Click OK and you will have the sheet names data. Press escape twice to exit that action, and this is the sheet name parametric data, which we actually already have in our title block. If you need to change the font size, just click on it, and on the top right you can change to the relevant font size that you want, or whether it's underlined or not. So I'm just gonna click on this sheet name and delete it now. So finally, now we're going to save this title block that we have created so that we can use it later on. So click on the Revit symbol, save as a family. We're going to browse to our BIM tutorial folder again, BIM project folder. Then under templates, title blocks, we're going to save this as 1234-5 underscore NDY underscore MEP title block A100. Just ignore this sample title block here, which I've created for the ease of this tutorial in the future. Save. And now we have created a title block, so just close it, and now we are done.